The journey of a river. Every river begins as just a trickle. High in the mountains, melting snow and rainfall carve small streams through the rocks. Slowly, these streams merge, gaining strength until a river is born. For centuries, rivers have shaped the land around them. They carve valleys, nourish forests, and bring life to countless communities. Entire civilizations have risen along their banks. Egypt on the Nile, Mesopotamia between Tigris and Euphrates. But rivers are more than just water. They are history, memory, and survival. And like all living things, they too face threats. From pollution, from overuse, from climate change. The story of a river is the story of us, because where the water flows, life follows.